spin fast?
Boost?
It's not really right now.
Okay. So go extra spin. Cool.
At least we'll get it for you.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll come back later.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, it's raining already. Oh. Wow. Ow. Okay, there goes my neck.
Oh shit.
That hurts.
No.
Tornado. Ow.
Shoulders?
No, it's like neck. Yeah. I feel like my head's being chopped off.
Yeah. I know, I should have told you. Hold on.
Hold on like this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I'll wake you up, right?
Well,
hey, whoa. Okay, thank you.